In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix IP ban in Instagram. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is stop all the activity for 24 to 48 hours. Don't like, follow, comment, or log in immediately. Let the system reset your account reputation. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and disable it. This gives you a fresh network session. If you are connected to any VPN or proxy, disable it. Avoid free VPN services. Don't switch locations rapidly. Next up, clear cache for the Instagram. For that, launch settings, go to general. Click on the option, iPhone storage, find Instagram and launch it. Click on upload app and confirm it. In the Android device, press and hold on the Instagram app, select the option app info, click on storage, click on clear cache and confirm it. Next up, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, you can log out and log in back to your account. Launch Instagram, go to settings and activity, scroll all the way down and click on logout. Wait for a few minutes, then log in back. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Instagram app. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app. Click on the option remove app. Click on delete app, click on delete. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and install it. So that's it. With these, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.